Hey guys, adding meta tags and alt text is key to helping your Wix site rank higher on Google. If you're new to this, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help your meta tags and image SEO right in Wix. So, go to your Wix dashboard, navigate to Menu and Pages. After you navigate to Menu and Pages, click on the page that you want to edit, select SEO Basics, and you will see the fields for your meta title and meta description. So, after this, add a clear, keyword-rich title under 60 characters and a catchy description under 160 characters that matches what people search for. Now, step 2 is customizing page-specific meta tags. For advanced SEO, scroll to Advanced SEO Settings, and here you can add custom meta tags like Open Graph tags or Robot meta tags. Also, this is optional but helpful if you want more SEO control. Now, step 3 is adding alt text to images. Click on any image in your Wix editor. To do this, navigate to Design Site. In your Wix editor, you'll have to click on any image. After you click on that image, you will see the toolbar appearing at the top of it. Here, you'll have to click on Settings, scroll down and choose what's in this image. As you can see, you can add alt text here. So simply add your alt text, write a short clear description of the image that also includes relevant keywords when possible. This helps Google understand your visuals and can boost your image search rankings. Now, make sure to add unique meta tags and alt text for each important page and image. Don't repeat the same keywords everywhere. Google prefers specific relevant tags that match each page's actual content. Now, final verdict, adding meta tags and alt text in Wix is super easy once you know where to look. These small SEO tweaks can make a big difference in how well your site ranks and how quickly Google understands your content. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.